Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts using Mermaid code on draw.io. This is a fantastic way to quickly generate professional diagrams without having to manually drag and drop every single element, saving you loads of time when you need to visualize complex processes or decision trees. To get started, head over to draw.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to a new tab where the draw.io editor opens up, giving you a blank canvas ready for creating and editing diagrams. The interface is clean and intuitive, designed to make diagram creation as straightforward as possible. Now, before we jump into draw.io itself, we're going to use AI to generate our Mermaid code. For this example, I'm using ChatGPT, but you can use any AI tool you prefer. Open up ChatGPT in another tab and type in a prompt like create a mermaid code about any topic and I want it to have a decision tree. The AI will quickly generate the mermaid syntax for you, complete with nodes, connections, and decision points. This is where the real magic happens because instead of writing the code yourself, the AI does the heavy lifting. Once the AI has generated your Mermaid code, select the entire code block and copy it. Make sure you've captured everything from the opening statement to the final line, as missing even a small part can cause errors when you try to insert it into draw.io. Now, switch back to your draw.io tab where your blank canvas is waiting. Look towards the top of the screen and you'll notice a plus icon in the toolbar. Click on that plus icon and the drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Mermaid. This opens up a special dialog box specifically designed for inserting Mermaid code into your diagram. You'll see that there's already some existing Mermaid code in the text box as an example. You'll need to delete all of that placeholder code first. Select it all and clear it out completely. Now, paste the Mermaid code that you copied from ChatGPT into this empty text box. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box, and just like that, draw.io will automatically generate a fully formatted flowchart based on your Mermaid code. The diagram will appear on your canvas with all the nodes, arrows, and decision points perfectly arranged. You can now move, resize, or further customize the flowchart as needed using draw.io's editing tools. You've just created a professional flowchart in minutes using the power of AI and Mermaid code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.